All right, we are in Minneapolis for the night, and this is a quick room tour of the Marquette Hotel in downtown Minneapolis. We are room 1950, which is a premium king suite.
I'm here. Hello.
She's here too. If you don't know, that's my wife Heidi, and I'm Travis. But anyway, back to the room tour. Here we go. The bathroom. Shower, which has a weird yellow ring around it. I don't know. The rest of the room looks clean, but the shower looks suspect. I'm sure it's fine. My shower at home is probably worse. I have a toilet. There's a door to the hallway. There's a door, you can make it an adjoining room. Closet. There's a fridge in here. If you don't believe me, there's the fridge. Mini bar. And like the living area, bedroom.
Come over here. I need to show you something.
TV.
Come.
Desk.
Come over here. See how the handles are missing? They don't want you to throw yourself out the 19th floor and end it all.
It's the...
There's a Fauché Tower, boys.
Sorry.
I'm gonna splice this together.
Hit the wrong
There's
button,
the Fauché Tower. It's one of the oldest buildings
I'm looking
in
at the wrong
Minneapolis.
building. I'm not from Minneapolis, so
Yeah, I am
don't
though,
know.
sort of.
kind of. Anyway, this is our view downtown. This again is the Marquette Hotel in downtown Minneapolis. Fun fact, the Kansas City Royals are checking in downstairs. They are in town to play the Twins starting tomorrow.
To play the Twins, who are actually good this year, as opposed to the Brewers, who suck.
Well, they suck every year, but anyway, that's the room here at the Marquette in downtown Minneapolis.
Hey, tonight I